Hello everyone, good day and welcome back to the channel. If you are Teneo Beacon user, this is exciting news because Season 2 has officially ended and the team has started announcing the lucky winners of the 2000 USDC prize pool. Even better, I personally won 5 USDC. In today's video, we'll discuss what the official announcement means, why you should keep your beacon running, my proof of winning 5 USDC as you see in the screen, when rewards may arrive, I'm still waiting, and what's next for Teneo protocol. So let's get started. About the official announcement, Teneo protocol posted on X that Season 2 has officially ended. Just like Season 1, they allocated another 2,000 reward pool. Everyone who kept their beacon running during Season 2 automatically became eligible for the random draw. The important part is you don't need to do anything anymore. If your beacon was active during the season, you were automatically included. The team is now finalizing the draw and announcing winners. About the official, I'm happy to share that I was selected as one of the winners. I received a reward of 5 USDC. After receiving the notification, I immediately confirmed my wallet address. Right now, my reward status is in queue. This means the reward has not been sent to my wallet, but it has already entered the payment queue. So now I'm simply waiting for the distribution. What does queued mean? Many users are asking. I already confirmed my wallet. Why haven't I received the USDC yet? The answer is simple. Queued means your reward has been approved. Your wallet has been verified. The transaction is waiting to be processed. Once processing is complete, the USDC will be sent. So don't panic if your reward still says queue. So just be patient. I'm happy to show why you should keep your beacon running. Our sentence from the official announcement is extremely important. The team said your beacon continues earning fragments whether there is a season or not. That means even though Season 2 has ended, your beacon is still generating value every minute it stays online. This is why they encourage everyone, keep your beacon running. Many users make the mistake of turning it off after the season ends. But according to Teneo, fragments continue accumulating. These fragments could become valuable for future rewards, airdrops, or token allocation. And why fragments matter? Although Teneo hasn't revealed any detail, fragments appear to be the main measurement of participation. Projects usually reward users who consistently contribute to the network. That means the more uptime, the more fragments, the better your potential position for future incentives. Consistency is often rewarded more than short bursts of activity. About the community reaction, many community members are sharing screenshots of their rewards. Some receive 5 USDC, 10 USDC, and even larger amounts depending on the draw. And also many of them receive 2 USDC. So others unfortunately weren't selected this time. Remember, this was a random draw among eligible beacon operators. Not everyone wins every season, but everyone who keeps supporting the network continues earning fragments. Is it worth keeping the beacon online? That is the question. So in my opinion, yes. And why? It is because it costs very little effort. Fragments continue accumulating. Future reward campaigns may depend on your history. More seasons could be announced. If your computer is already on, there's very little reason to stop your beacon. And what's next? Now that season 2 has ended, the community is waiting for reward distribution, more winner announcements, future campaigns, po- uh, potential season 3, more utility for fragments. The project is still actively developing, so this isn't the end. In my advice, if you already confirmed your wallet and your reward says queued, don't worry. Just wait for the transaction. If you didn't win this time, don't give up. Continue running your beacon because fragments are still being earned every second. Future opportunities may reward long-term supporters. And for those who win in this season, so everyone, congratulations. I'm grateful to have received 5 USDT, although it is only a 5 USDC, I mean. So this is a good showing from the Teneo protocol about how they are doing in their projects. And now I'm just waiting for it to be sent to my wallet. So comment below how much USDC did you receive, or are you still waiting? If this update helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future updates about the Teneo protocol and crypto airdrops and Web3 opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next